We're vlogging. This is gonna go on the vlog. And
is it a new vlog?
Yeah, this is gonna be a new vlog.
Oh yeah, what day is it? Today's National Send Thursday, everybody.
Yep, exactly.
Just want to welcome you to this exclusive Chevron
Super Send Thursday.
where we've been not sponsored, but we are parked right now.
By the extra mile.
By the extra mile. Where I'm gonna put on this head strap.
So whenever I'm with this guy, it's gonna be a full send kind of situation. I know you guys really liked the last video when we were sending it around that roundabout, but this one's gonna be better.
So it's better. We've pretty much decided to up our game. Brought to you by Extra Mile and Mile One Coffee over here.
Thank you.
And pretty much, well, I was like, Dre, look, man. Honestly, let me take this off, bro. I look like a doofus, bro.
Get a load of this guy.
You look like you're a coal miner.
I look like a doofus, bro.
Clapping hands with the sun down there, the devil, you know? Molten lava.
And look at the haircut, the long haircut that I've needed.
Sorry, look at mine. That's why I'm wearing the hat.
Yeah, at least you just slicked back from my things like wavy as can be.
Oh god.
So look, I hit up Andre. I was like, you know what, man, I'm trying to find a really good spot because I think donuts are like, everyone's doing donuts and burnouts. He goes, look, I got the perfect spot.
Yep.
Sends me a picture. I leave where I'm at. I immediately come over here. It's okay, everybody. We're gonna hit it in 5 minutes. We got a little crowd showing up for this one.
We got a good line. We got a clean line coming.
Very. So why don't you explain how you set up the camera?
All right, so we got a camera. This camera is going to be up front. So we're with the Silent Killer today for reasons that are going to be very obvious when you see what we're doing. We got the EV stickers. I wanted to have a car that makes absolutely no noise, so you guys can get the full effect of Mr. Sendmobile Drift Daddy right over here. What's this one? Drift Daddy, right?
This is Drift Daddy.
Okay, this doesn't have a real name. It's just Drift Daddy.
No, it's Drift Daddy. It's a real name.
That's a real
Don't
name.
hate
Okay,
on it.
legally on paper, it's Drift Daddy.
It's
Great.
everything you want.
Awesome.
There you go.
We're gonna mount this camera right over here, and I'm gonna be chasing that car right over there as close as I could get, so you guys get the full action. And we're gonna keep this big ass mic that keeps lopping in front of the camera inside the car, which is dead silent, and you guys are gonna hear a lot of pops, a lot of bangs, and most importantly, a lot of tire being shredded. And my car might get covered with rubber, but it's okay, it's a Chevy Bolt.
And you know what, like he pulled up to me with the Chevy Bolt.
I wish I recorded that one.
I wish you should have started the vlog like that,
Damn.
dude. Dang it, bro. We're amateurs. We're trying to get to the best, you know, like all you other guys out there.
Yeah, you know.
So look, Andre's honestly doing this for you guys. Obviously, you guys are phenomenal subscribers and viewers of his. Like I said, I don't know how this man has 3K subs. I would assume now it's at 13K and to 30.
Wish.
But one of these days, we're gonna do a legit podcast. We're gonna sit down and explain to you guys what it takes to make these on Instagram 20-30-second videos and these vlogs you see on YouTube for whether it's 5-15 minutes, like the setup,
It's a lot of work, man.
the risk is
Yeah.
the biggest thing.
Yeah.
And then what we do to our cars, and therefore hopefully more people will appreciate like what we do instead of like, hey, you should have went faster. Or, what the f was that?
They are just a bunch of pansies.
So let me show you guys Ari's tires. He put out a new set just 2 days ago, and this is the Sendmobile, as you guys know. This is one of the Sendmobiles, and if you take a peek at his rear tire, these were brand new 2 days ago, literally 2 days ago, and they're not cheap tires. It's already cording because we've been sending it so hard, as you guys can see. There it is.
You know what? Honestly, Nito sent me these, right? And these are NT555 G2s. For what we do, for them to last this long, impeccable.
Yeah.
Impeccable. But we're down to wire, so I don't know what we're gonna call this. We're gonna call this a full wire send.
Yep, that's what it's gonna be, and it's gonna be sending up to tire heaven. Obviously, I think you're done with these after tonight.
I hope I can make it home
it's
after
a big
tonight.
turn. It's a big turn.
It's a big trend.
Yeah.
Should we show people what it is, or should we just get straight into it?
Let's just get into it.
Let's get into it.
Yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. All right, Ari. So the camera's on. I'm recording, and the audio's on. Say hi to everybody.
Oh, hello.
So, oh god. Oh jeez. Stop. All right, so that's how we set up a proper send over here. Everyone's safe. Ari's good. He's saying hi to the camera. Here we go. Gotta get my high beams on. All right. You know, he's stretching. We got another bystander driving by. The mic is on. Ari is ready. He's turning his camera on. And yeah, we're about to send this thing. Do you want my high beams on, or is that gonna mess up the video?
No, you want it on.
All right, for sure.
I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's the first time I ever did this, man.
Well, this is very organized. I'm happy we're doing it like this, you know?
I'm actually very happy doing it like this.
Yeah, organized.
Permitted, everything.
You know? Yeah.
Let me see if my thing's on.
It is. I like how the Mexico police is a lot more friendly than the, you know, up in the States.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know what the deal is with that, but hopefully everyone learns to, you know, be like more like these cops. You know?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
First try, let's go.
Let's do it. Alright, we're good. Wait. No, we're good. We're good. Done. Yep, we're good. Incredible. The only issue was the Volt doesn't have as good traction as Ari's car does, even when he's sideways, so I had a tough time keeping up with him, but I think it was pretty good. I'm glad we set the camera up outside and the microphone inside so I can talk to you guys. Ari's calling, let's see what he says. Yo.
Yeah, that was so much. That was fucking fun.
Amazing, dude. Good job. That was awesome.
Hey,
Exit.
go in front of me. I gotta pick up my girlfriend.
Exit.
I'm gonna go in front of me. You gotta pull it faster.
Okay. That was incredible. Good job, man. That was perfect.
Yeah.
You had a bunch of sparks flying out of your rear passenger tire. That was so cool.
Dude, I ain't gonna lie, bro. We got to like what, 80?
I couldn't keep up. I just told the audience, I said, he was going so fast, I had a hard time keeping up and you were going sideways.
I got up to fucking top of third, bro.
No, man, it's a wide turn, so you can get good speed. It was awesome.
Bro,
good job.
That was beautiful. Dude, honestly, bro, my heart is pumping. That was fun as fuck.
Nice, man. Very good job.
I'm literally on edge just getting a GoPro and saying forget the Sony.
Hey, look at this thing. It's fucking brilliant.
It's phenomenal,
And
bro.
you can mount
take
it to the front of your car too.
You know what, bro? Look, everybody, enough with what I just did. Go rev the Volt.
I gotta show you guys something. This is
Go rev the Volt.
This is the first one of one Volt.
Go rev it. I said rev it.
I am.
No, you're not.
All the way.
Bro, no way. Rev the Volt, bro.
You hear it?
No, bro. Show me your actually putting your foot on it.
You don't hear it?
No way, bro. Hold on a second. Let me adjust this mic. One more time. Oh, there it is. I thought you said this thing can make noise, bro.
It makes no noise.
What the heck, bro? Dude, well, we're about to... Oh, now we're actually sponsored by this unicorn. This unicorn has brought us this video today.
And there's the car. Doing fantastic.
It still
There's
has
Ari.
fire.
He did fantastic. So that was a good night, my friend.
You know what?
And that was the first, that was take one.
That was take one.
That was take one and only one. We don't need to do two. Good job, man. That was awesome.
Dude, you know what? I couldn't have done it without you, man.
Oh, man, that was fun. That was fun.
Honestly, it was pretty cool because he sent me like the picture of what this looked like. You know, usually people like scope this out. We legit just met up.
Yep.
We looked at it. We drove up. We dropped off the cameraman up there. We reversed all the way down, dodged about 18 cars, and then we started the video. We hit it. We're gonna definitely. I'm gonna go ahead and airdrop you the POV shot so you guys can actually see what it's like behind the wheel.
Oh man.
It was pretty exhilarating. I really enjoyed it. I personally love the high speed stuff. I love the 80 to 120 mile per hour.
And that's why it was so hard, because obviously the Volt is, you know, it has torque low end, maybe 0 to 40. And after that, he was pulling up, like, God damn, man. But the almighty Volt did well.
The almighty Volt.
I didn't want to muffle the entire audio with the Viper or the Lambo because it would have just taken over the entire audio. I wanted you guys to really hear his tires screeching, see all the sparks, hear his exhaust, hear the backfire. Here, you can literally hear the control of the car. And that was the whole point of it. So, the almighty Volt. The ever so fantastic Volt.
You mind if I take it home and take the M4?
Absolutely not. All right, we're out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Follow this man, Ari Cars, linked in the description. And absolutely let us know which one of his cars you want to see us send at the exact same spot.
Hell yeah. All right, guys.
Take it easy and
like, comment, subscribe, share. You know what I mean?